Over 1 billion people now use AI to make buying decisions, and this has led to marketing's most interesting twist yet: generative engine optimization. In this video, I'll explain what GEO exactly is in SaaS and why you should be aware of it. GEO is the process of optimizing your content for AI-driven search results and generative models. These are systems like ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google's AI overviews that generate answers by synthesizing content from multiple sources. While traditional SEO is about ranking high on search results, GEO is about being selected, included, and understood while AI is creating its response. You're not competing for position 1 anymore. You're competing to be part of the answer itself. With traditional search, users see multiple options and choose where to click. With generative engines, users get one synthesized answer that combines information from various sources. The AI acts as an intermediary, interpreting your content and deciding whether it's relevant and trustworthy enough to include. This changes everything about how we think about online visibility. Keywords still matter, but context matters more. It's about providing comprehensive, authoritative information that AI systems recognize as valuable for answering user questions. They combine their training data, everything they've learned, with real-time information they can access. They evaluate credibility, cross-reference sources, understand nuance, and synthesize all of this into conversational responses. When someone asks AI about software solutions, it understands the intent behind the question, evaluates which sources are most authoritative, and constructs an answer that directly addresses the user's question. And this is why your content needs to be written and structured in a way that makes AI recognize your expertise and relevance. For SaaS companies, GEO provides both unique challenges and massive opportunities. Software buying decisions are very complex. Buyers ask very nuanced questions like features, pricing models, integrations, security, and scalability. They're looking for expertise and trustworthy recommendations. When someone asks an AI, what project management tool should I use? Or how do I choose between different HR tech platforms? The AI needs to understand not just your product, but why it is relevant for that specific context. This requires a very different approach than keyword optimization. In the SaaS world, GEO means establishing topical authority across entire problem spaces. It's about demonstrating deep understanding of the challenges that your customers face, ecosystem your product operates in, and the outcomes users are trying to achieve. AI engines are sophisticated enough to recognize surface-level content versus genuine expertise. They can detect whether you truly understand the domain or if you're just using the right keywords. This means that your content strategy needs to reflect real expertise and a comprehensive understanding of your target market. SaaS products don't exist in isolation. They're part of tech stacks. They integrate with other tools and they solve for specific workflow problems. GEO for SaaS means ensuring AI understands these contexts and relationships. Now let's quickly check out some AI adoption numbers. The numbers are staggering. Over 800 million people use ChatGPT on a weekly basis. AI search is growing month over month. But for SaaS specifically, the impact is even more pronounced because software buyers are typically early adopters of this technology. Your target audience, the people who buy your product, are already using AI to research, evaluate, and make purchasing decisions. They're asking AI to compare solutions, explain technical concepts, and even make recommendations. If your SaaS isn't part of those AI-generated responses, you're invisible during these critical moments of the buyer journey. Traditional software discovery through Google searches is being replaced by conversational AI interactions. Instead of browsing through multiple websites, buyers are having conversations with AI about what their needs are. They're getting personalized recommendations based on their team size, industry, tech stack, and requirements. Here's what makes this critical. AI systems learn and improve continuously. The sources that they trust today influence what they'll recommend tomorrow. If competitors establish themselves as authoritative sources in AI, that advantage compounds over time. They become more embedded in AI knowledge, making it increasingly difficult for you to break through. Conversely, Establishing strong GEO early means that you're building compound authority. Each piece of optimized content strengthens your overall presence in AI search, creating a moat that protects your market position. When AI recommends a SaaS solution, it provides context, explaining benefits, essentially pre-selling the product. Users who arrive at your site through AI recommendations are more educated and further along in their buyer journey. They convert at higher rates because AI has already done part of the education process. GEO changes how SaaS companies need to think about their online presence today. Every day, more software buyers turn to AI for guidance. The question for every SaaS company isn't whether to invest, but how quickly you can adapt to the new reality.